Welcome back to part 2 of the Texas Rangers rebuild in 2000, by the way. Last episode, my video got corrupted and I only have like 3 minutes on. I sent it all the way to June 14th. And at the time, not too much happened. Actually, nothing happened. No injury, surprisingly. Actually, I think one injury, but it's over now. But anyways, you can see here the pitching sucks. But, the offense ain't doing too bad. Where's our first baseman at? Yeah. 35 years old. Now, he's pretty good. He's doing pretty good. Well, I might be doing trades right now. So let's go to trades. Let's go to make a trade. Okay. Now I thought this out and I'm like, okay, let's go to the Marlins. And I got something good for this. Where's our first baseman at? Oh, okay, yeah. No. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to trade for Derek Lee. I'm going to give him Rafael Palmeiro. Palmeiro. Yeah. Fuck. Florida can't. Florida can't afford that. Oh, wait, yeah, they can't afford that. Fuck. Well, let's see anyways. Give Sprayed Looper, maybe? No, I don't want Dempster. Actually, AJ Burnett. Or not. Let's give AJ Burnett. Burnett. I don't know if that's a good trade right there. Would they take that? Budget space, man. Well, I don't think we'll afford this. I don't think neither of us can. That kind of sucks. Let's see. Make this work now. I have no players to make this deal work. Can I remove... Make this work now. No players, huh? Oh, fuck. He's doing pretty good. He's at 830. Is it because they probably don't have enough money, so... Okay, forget that. We're not going to trade anybody right now. I think this season we're not going to do anything. Alright. Let's just sim to the All-Star break. Oh, jeez. I thought that was going to work. In my Minnesota Twins rebuild, that worked. And I got... I know I got Derek Lee, and I got somebody else. I also got Josh Beckett. That's right. Oh, that's what I'm gonna go for. Was that Josh Beckett I went for? Or is it AJ Burnett? I can't remember. Fuck. That's all right. Shit, we're the Rangers. We're going to be bad. It's what we live for. We haven't been to the World Series since. Well, at this point, we haven't been to a World Series. Except 2010 and 2011, which they should have won in 2011, but they're like, no, it's not. And it happens, I guess. Which kind of sucks, because I fucking hate the Cardinals. I'm a Cubs fan. And I should be doing a 98 rebuild for the Cubs, because that was the year that they made the playoffs, and Kerry Wood was Rookie of the Year. And they got destroyed by the Braves until 2003, where the Cubs were like, hey, Braves, hi. And then the Florida Marlins were like, haha, and that sucks. Well, we got 2016 anyways. It's good. So, gotta be making that paper, though. I mean, I don't know the budget we're going to have for next year, and I don't know who we're going to be able to re-sign or get a free agent. I don't know. Man. Shit. Oh, I can get... I might go for... Johnny Damon. Yes. I got all these ideas that might work because I feel like Johnny Damon could be a really good asset for the years to come and be a good leadoff hitter. Even if I have enough money, if he's a free agent, then get Alex Rodriguez, and then have well, I was thinking is Johnny Damon, Derek Lee, then Alex Rodriguez, then Pudge, and then a pretty decent pitching staff and pretty young pitching staff. Oh, that's 3 days. And then a pretty good bullpen, which we might be able to do. Make trade. At this point, I think he still plays for. Where are they at? Kansas City. No, yes, no. No? Wait, why is it always AAA though? Oh yeah, yeah. Ooh, what? No, no, no. I mean, it's a. I don't know. Yeah, this is hard. This is kind of hard. That's what she said. He's doing pretty good this year. I can't lie. And I know for a fucking fact though. Like, if I get Beltran and Damon, we're not gonna be able to re-sign both of them. Maybe for the next couple of years because they're not. Or Damon is, but Carlos, he ain't fucking. I guess he is. I guess he is actually at this point. Carlos Beltran. He's injured, man. Let's ball out. Let's see what we can get. Let's see if we do this. It looks like we're not doing it. Man, like, no players made this, happen, though. Like, I'm not getting rid of this fucking. I'm not getting rid of him. I'll give you a reliever. I'll give you this young ass reliever. I'll throw in R.A. Dickey because he's not that good. Why is Beltran still in there? I don't know. This is a complete package just for Damon. No! I can't do that. I don't think I need to be doing that. He's a solid reliever. And if I wasn't trading him, that'd be like, alright. But I'm giving up two solid relievers. Now he's a bit older, which I don't mind getting rid of him, but like I have to get rid of him too, which I don't want to do that, so no. But damn. Okay, yeah. Oh, now I can do it. Okay. I don't have a problem with this trade at all. I'll do that. I don't have a problem with that. But I still want Derek Lee. Now that I do that, I need Derek Lee more. Because Damon, right now, he's a pretty good leadoff hitter. At this point in his career, he's a pretty good leadoff hitter. And have Damon, then Lee. And this ain't Derek Lee where he was batting title 300 hitter. But he's still a pretty solid player at this point. So see what I can do here. Carlos Payne, yeah. And you might be thinking, well, this ain't realistic because you're getting rid of players. Well, to me, it's realistic, okay? And yeah, I'm not getting any big time pitchers actually out of this. So I'll see if I can get Josh Beckett. Yeah, I don't want AJ Burnett. Where's Beckett at? Dang, did I already trade Beckett, or is he all the way down there? Because I know he's in this. He's a youngster in this, boys. Or is he I think he's a reliever. Oh, 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 oh. That's not happening. You know? What's... No, because... Jeez. What can I do to make this work? They can't afford it, that's why. Jeez. Man. I would love to have Derek Lee because I don't really... Damn. That, like, upsets me because I like Derek Lee. Is it because you're a Cubs fan, Eric? You're right. Okay. Damon, welcome to the lineup. Now I gotta mess with this. Jeez, man. Jeez. Jesus. Alright. Soslovich, you out. Yeah. Here. Yeah. Oh, shit. Yeah, actually, that's what I wanted. Paste. Paste. I'm gonna paste it on, like, Michael Jackson pastes children with white stuff. Man, like, I hate losing. I really do this, so I was, like, hesitant with this rebuild. I fucking hate losing with a passion. What a stud. Excuse me. God damn, though, like, everybody's getting injured right now. So, who got injured? Kenny Roger. Damn. It's like, I don't got any pitchers, like, put up in the major leagues because they're not major league ready. I don't have any, studs. Excuse me. Like, what's this dude doing here? Here, I'll call you up. I'm gonna send, you down because I don't know what the fuck you are doing there. Jesus. Place on disabled list. 2 weeks? Yeah, I totally forgot about you. I thought you only had a hamstring. Oh, my bad. I was totally, like, blinded right there. Oh, good. Our number one is injured, too. It's not good. Who's the dude that we just called up? Where'd he go? Is that him? Was it? Yeah. No? No, it was you. I didn't, for some reason, get you up there. I don't know if that's a good idea. Yeah, actually, yeah. I'll just have you be a long reliever. Yeah. I was trying to get to the All-Star game without being interrupted. Dude, we got destroyed by the Devil Rays. Oh, no. It's not like we're doing too bad. We're 11 games back, but... music. Now we're in last place. The Anaheim Angels. Actually, I prefer it be called Anaheim Angels other than Los Angeles Angels of Anaheim. Who's trading? Oh, now Florida wants to do deals, huh? Alright, okay. Oh, but you want Colby Lewis. I'll respond. I will discuss the trade. Now let's see what I do here. Discussing trades with you. So I see you want 3 decent players. Oh. Adrian Gonzalez? You guys have Adrian Gonzalez too? Damn. Look at your farm system go. No wonder you won a World Series. Okay. I'm not getting rid of, I'd rather have him retain. I'd rather keep him. Alright, so, let's say he was 3-star? Okay, looks like I'm clicking on him because it doesn't want to see. How old is he? 30. Okay, I actually like this trade because I'm getting rid of you. Wait, are you my starting right fielder? No, he's not. Okay. Yeah. Okay, that's a fucking steal. For me, at least, it is. You guys ready to complete this trade? Oh yeah. Wait a minute. Yeah. I don't need to retain you. It's basically I'm getting rid of a 3-star pitcher to get a 3-star pitcher. Not too happy. Or it's not too bad. Finally got Derek Lee. I wanted him bad. I needed him. Oh my god. I'm gonna see. Are they out? Oh Jesus. Oh, it's just like a bunch of 1-star players. Yeah. Who cares about them? Oh, that's right. Now I gotta. I totally forgot. And he's still a pretty good. I can have him DH. Yeah, okay. I was like, uh-oh. And I was like, I'm gonna take the stress off him. You're out. Put you there. And yes, that's how we're going to do things here. And now I can have him. He's gonna bat second. Him bat cleanup. Alright. I totally forgot I had to. I'm so glad I have a DH because I was like, damn, now I'm gonna have to trade. This doesn't mean I want to trade. Doesn't mean I want to DH for I'm pissed. All right, but still without pitchers. Let's try to get to the All-Star game. Oh. This game's crazy. We're only June 29th and so much stuff's happened. Got 2 pretty big time players. Got rid of some things. Trade. or received a personal message. I hope they're like, hey, oh, yeah. How could you be angry with a team that will eat? If I didn't touch this team and I went 162 games, they would have been bad too. Don't be angry at me. You should know that we're rebuilding here in Texas. Texas is ass. You know, today they're not a good team anymore. I don't know why. They just don't want to be good anymore. I think we'll just get the next stop. We're going to end recording. Oh, look at that. Fuck! Okay, so we're going to leave it off here. Because our goddamn prospect got hurt. I mean, I guess you're going to call him prospect. But, shit. Leave it off here. I'm a little disappointed that 3 people are injured. And the trade acquisitions have been doing pretty good. Fucking Lee's killing it right now. I mean, that was also when he was with Florida, so I don't know what he's doing here. That was okay. Johnny Damon, I wonder if he picked it up. No, he's hitting worse here. Everybody else doing pretty decent. End it off here.